Hi, my name is Matthew Pearson. Today I'm going to show you how to paste a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet into a Microsoft Word document. The first thing you want to do is bring up Microsoft Word, and then once you get in there, into the document that you want to paste it into, I'm just going to use a blank document right here, go to your Insert menu, and this is very similar to the way to do it in reverse if you want to paste a Word document into Microsoft Excel. It's very similar. They make their tools very consistent. So go to this Insert menu, go over to Object, wherever that may be, right here, Object. Click on an object. It's going to pop up a dialog box that's going to give you a couple options here. You can say Create New, which will allow you to select from here. You can say a Microsoft Excel, where are you? You can go Microsoft Excel, you can grab one of these, the file types, hit OK, and what it'll do is it'll put a blank empty one in there that you can either type contents in. Basically it links right through Microsoft Word into Microsoft Excel and will allow you to manipulate it that way. Or you can find, once you've created it, you can go back under your file system, find the Excel document, drag it and drop it right in that spot. But probably the easier thing to do is go over here to Create from File, click on that, click Browse, and then you'll want to browse through your Documents directory or wherever you happen to have your Excel documents, and you'll want to find your Excel document. I've got one right here, Calculator Checklist. And then you've got these two boxes you can check here. This one here, Link to File, what that will do is that will link this Word document, the little object reference, it'll link it to the Excel file so that if you later edit the file with Excel, those changes will show back up in the Word document. So it's, instead of copying it, it links it. And the other one is Display as an Icon. If you just want to reference a spreadsheet in a Word document and say, by the way, this is a link to the spreadsheet, do that, and then that way it'll save a lot of space and you don't have your Microsoft Word document clogged up with a lot of data. Unless you want to have the data visible and viewable, then you would not check that, and that'll make the data show up. And then what you do is hit OK, and what it will do is it will open up Microsoft Excel in the background, pull the data in, and then put it right there in your Word document like that. And that is how you paste a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet into a Microsoft Word document. My name is Matt Pierce. Thanks for watching.